Hi my beautiful and handsome people, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making bitter leaf soup, and this one is cow leg. This is fish. This fresh fish, I will be roasting it. I will boil it first. This one is shaki. This is dry fish, stock fish, and bitter leaf. The oga patapata of them all. And ede. This is cocoyam. Ede. This is chopped onions, mixed spices, just like oda. So I'm just gonna put it inside a little. And this one is ogiri, Maggie, pepper, and these are the ingredients. So I will be boiling the meat first. So I'm adding everything now: salt and Maggie and onions. So I will boil it for 30 minutes. And this is fish. I'm going to be boiling this fish separate because I need the water. You know, boiling fish separate is just it just give you different flavor. After boiling it, I will remove it and roast it. So I will just peel this cocoyam. I will blend it after peeling it. You see, I'm removing it now, so I want to roast it. So I'll be boiling the cocoyam a bit, like 6 minutes. This is pepper. So after boiling, so I will blend the cocoyam. I will blend it and keep it aside. You see the way I blend it, very smooth. So I'll be adding the dry fish, so everything will be soaked very well. And this is palm oil. I'm going to be using this palm oil. You need palm oil. The time I was showing you the ingredient, I forgot to show you the palm oil, but you need it. So after 5 minutes, I will add this and I will leave it for 5 minutes. I will add the spices a little bit because I just needed that flavor, you know, that local flavor. So I will add the bitter leaf now. So after adding it, I will just leave it for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Then before adding this cocoyam, that is ede. Before adding the ede, so this is the fish now. I just roasted the fish finish, so I'll be adding it now. It's the last thing I added because I don't want the fish to just scatter, to spoil everything. You know, if you put it earlier, everything will just spoil. So I'll leave it for 5 minutes more, then it's ready. Thanks guys for watching. Please, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next